since you did the workshop, which is now 4 or 5 weeks ago, have you noticed any particular changes in yourself or in your life?
I have. Since the workshop, I have felt over the initial couple of weeks gradually lighter. And my energy feels lighter. I feel a sense of calm and contentment. I also am finding it easier to stand back and be conscious of bigger picture and all of me. And that's not to say that the normal rough and tumble of life doesn't happen, and there are various challenges at your work and in home life that you contend with, but I feel equipped and there's a sort of strength that comes from within, that helps just give me reassurance that that there's not a bit of me that I'm forgetting about.
Got it. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. That's very subtle, actually, the way you described that. Very subtle. Great. Well, thank you very much.